prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om. Yes. Okay, now open your eyes, kids. Open your eyes, children. Everyone. Yeah. Rub your palm, put it on your eyes. Quickly. So let us start with our new topic in English grammar, that is articles. Okay. Are you all excited to learn new topic? I know you all are very excited to learn a new topic. Yeah. Yes, children. So today we are going to learn articles in English grammar. Okay? Yeah. So what are articles? Articles are used to point out or refer to the nouns. Articles are used to point out or refer to the nouns. Do you all know what are nouns? Nouns are the name of person, place. Yeah? Do you all remember what are nouns? Okay, we will discuss that also. So, a and a and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. Now, articles are further divided into two types. Articles are further divided into two types. So just now, as I told you, a and the. Some people say the or some people say the. So one in the same. So let us see in which category this a and the comes. Okay, whether it is definite articles or indefinite articles. So till now, what I explained you, articles are of two types, that is definite articles and indefinite articles. Understood, children? Now let us see what are definite articles and which articles comes under definite and which articles comes under indefinite articles. Now, definite articles. The is called the definite articles. Why? Why like this? Because it always points out some particular object. That means it points or it talks about a particular thing. The thing which we know, a specific thing, a uniqueness. It shows the uniqueness of a noun. It shows a specific. It points out of a specific person, place, or thing. So there we use the, the. So the is called the definite article because it always points out some particular object. It points out some specific thing. That is why it comes under the list of definite articles. For example, let us see one example. This is the boy who had stolen my purse. So this is the boy. So that specific, that particular, that boy has stolen the purse. That is why here the is used before the noun. Understood? So let us see what are indefinite articles. A and an. A and an are called indefinite articles. Why these are indefinite articles? Because they do not refer to any particular or definite person, place or thing. It doesn't point out to a particular or specific person, place or thing. For example, can you see here as an umbrella, a boy, a book. That means these are the examples where we use a and an. So let us see in next slide that when we use an and when we use a, कुठे आपण an लावतो आणि कुठे आपण a लावतो. Okay, that we will learn. So very firstly, let us see about a and an. When we use a and an. Now first tell me what are a and an, definite articles or indefinite articles? Yes. A and an are indefinite articles because it talks about or used to talk about the thing in general, not specific. We are not talking about a specific noun. That is why A and R comes under the list of indefinite articles. Understood? Now let us see next. Now in this, here the two words are there. Two letters are there. So these two, when we use a and when we use an, let us see that first. So do you know how many letters are there in our English? How many letters are there? 26 letters, right? 26 letters. In that, A, E, I, O, U. How many letters? 5 letters. In that, 5 letters are vowels. In that, 5 letters are vowels. And the rest of all the letters, as you can see on the screen, as you can see on my screen, that rest of all are consonants. Understood? What are these letters? These all are consonants. Now tell me how many letters are there in our English language? How many letters are there? You can message. You can use your chat option. We have 26 letters. In that, 5 letters are vowels. Which letters are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And remaining all letters are called consonants. C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S. Consonants. So which are consonants? The letter B, the letter C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are consonants. So we use A before a word that begins with a consonant. So when we use A before the word which starts with the word with the letter consonant letter. So let us see the examples of that. A cow. Why we call a cow? Can you see here? First letter of the noun. It's a consonant. As I told you, whenever we speak about a general thing, general which is not specific. Cow means any cow, right? So here the first letter of cow is a consonant. So before that we should use A, not an. An na use karai. So we have to use A. So same with the second example, a beetle. So B is a consonant, not a vowel, right? So a beetle, not an beetle. We say it a beetle. Now next, a deer, a pearl, right? Why a pearl? P is a consonant or a vowel? It's a consonant. Remember always, leaving 5 words, 5 letters, remaining all letters are consonants. Okay, whenever you have A, E, I, O, U, there only you have to use an. Otherwise, rest of all words you have to put A. Understood, children? Now next. Now let us see about an also. And put also upon where we use an. So an is used before a word begins with a vowel sound. When we use and we use before a word that begins with a vowel sound. So let us see which are the words where we use and. But always remember the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So these are the few examples where we use. These are the few examples where we use an. So can you see the nouns here? Apple, elephant, ice cream, a cat. Sorry, it's not a cat. Umbrella. So these are the nouns. Can you see? These are the nouns, right? So in front of that, we should use an. Where we should use an. Understood? An apple. Why you are saying an apple here? Why we are saying an apple? Because the noun is starting with the letter A. What is A? A is the vowel. What is A here? A is the vowel. Then next, elephant. Then next, elephant. So E. Do you remember vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So E, this word starting with the letter E, and E is a vowel. So an elephant, we will call it as an elephant. So same way with ice cream also. It is starting with the letter I. I is a vowel, so we will put an ice cream. Okay. Now next. Now I'm showing you a video to understand clearly what about the indefinite articles. Yes. Use of A, and D. Let us see. Just now I've shown you when we use A, when we use an. Okay.
Look at these groups of letters. Do they make sense to you? Now, do they make sense?
Now, can you see here? There are different words given on the screen. And, fun, food, right? Now, identify vowels here. What are vowels? Can you identify vowels here? In first one, where is vowel? A is vowel. Then in second one, fun. In fun, which one is vowel? U is vowel. And in third one, food, O is vowel. And in the word ride, I is vowel. Right?
That's because we have added vowels to the letters. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels in the English alphabet. Most words use at least one vowel. All the other letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. A noun is the name of a person, place.
As I told you,
A noun
the all other letters
alphabet are called
B, C,
consonants.
D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are consonants.
A noun is the name of a person,
What are
place,
nouns?
animal,
Noun
or
is
thing.
the name of person, name of any person, place, animal, or thing.
Every noun begins with a consonant or a vowel.
Yeah.
We bought a balloon. It was
Now
shaped
let
like
us
an
see.
apple.
We bought a balloon. A balloon. Why not an balloon? Because the first letter of noun. Where is noun here? Tell me. We bought a balloon. Where is noun here? Balloon is a noun. Yeah, it's a thing. And by which letter it is starting? It is starting with the letter B. It is starting with the letter B. And B is a consonant, not a vowel. So a balloon. Understood? So we bought a balloon. And in second example, it was shaped like an apple. So A is a vowel or a consonant. A is a vowel. So an apple. Understood? So this is the way you have to put a or an before the noun. It was shaped like an apple. It was shaped like an apple, and we bought a balloon.
While making sentences, nouns are often specified by words like a or an. A is used before nouns that start with a consonant, and an is used before nouns that start with a vowel. A or an are used when the noun refers to something general, such as any one balloon or any apple.
So just now I have told you,
Bang.
A and we are indefinite articles, not definite. Because we are talking of a general thing, not a specific thing. Whenever we are talking about a general thing, you have to use a or an, depending on the first letter of the noun. Now see this example, bang, the balloon burst. So it is talking about a particular balloon which has burst. So that is why we are using the definite article.
The balloon burst. Here balloon refers to a specific balloon. When the noun describes a known thing, the is used to specify it. Vowels and consonants do not matter in this case. A, an, and the are called articles. Articles specify the nouns in a sentence.
A, an, and the are articles.
Let us learn more about the use of articles in sentences.
So here we are going to see how we use this in sentences. Just now I have shown you the examples.
Click each rule to learn more about it.
I'll show you the detail afterwards, after the explanation. Let us go back to our PPT. So till where I have explained you till A and an. So now let us start with the. When we use the, article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. What means that? The second time. That is about a particular thing. Let us see, if you see the example, you will be able to understand. Asakali definition. Article the, I'm reading the definition once again for you. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. For example, that is a stall. See, in first sentence here, that is a stall it is given, and there is an umbrella on the stall. So we are talking about the stall second time. So in first time, at the first time, what we wrote here, A, that is a stall, right? And in second time, when you are using stall again, there we put the. So this is the meaning of the definition. That is, whenever we talk about the same noun second time, we should put the. That means we are talking about a particular stall. Yes. Wait, you are not able to. I suppose you are not able to see the screen. Yeah. We have seen about a and examples of a and then the. Just now I've told you this. So we use the when we are using the same noun second time. So a stall and the stall. When we use the and a, now you must have understood. So to understand this clearly, I'm showing you one more example. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Can you see this? Why you are using your an, children? An umbrella. U is a vowel. That is why we are using an here. That is a stall. A stall. Why are you using a? Because S is a consonant. That is why we are writing here a. Because in first statement we are not knowing which stall it is. But in second sentence, it is clear that that stall, a particular stall. So that is why we are putting the stall. So this is the second example of the same. We have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. Can you see here? We have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. So the same thing. Test tomorrow. So we have a. Why we are putting a here? And why we are putting here the? See, whenever we use second time the same thing, we put there the. 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 Now next, we use the when it is clear which person, which place, which animal or which thing is being referred. So whenever we know about the particular thing, person, place or thing, then only we put there the. Understood? So the definite article, that is why the is definite article. We speak about a particular place, person, animal or thing. Understood? Now next. Now let us see the example. We had 2 glass jars. We had 2 glass jars. Can you see your 2 glass jars, children? I think you all can see a red one and an amber one. So the amber jar was very expensive. So in first statement, can you see here in first statement a red one and an amber one? Why here and it is given? Because A is a vowel. A is a vowel. And the amber jar was very expensive. Now here why the is used? Why the is used here? Because we are talking about a particular jar. We are talking regarding a particular jar. Definite. So that is why we will put definite article. Understood? Now next. So now let us see few more examples of definite article, that is the. The, what is the? The is a definite article. So let us see few more examples of definite articles. We use the when there is only one such kind. That means, do you have so many suns in the world? No. Do you have many moons? No. So we have only one sun, one moon. So we call it the moon, the sun. Understood? We never say a moon or sun or an moon and sun. No, we will call it as the moon, the sun. Okay. So we use definite articles, that is we use the when there is only one such kind. So these are few examples which I am sharing with you children about definite articles. Use of the. So when we use the when we talk about, we refer to an entire group of its kind. Understood? So the whale is a mammal. The whale is a mammal. So here also we should use the definite article, that is the. The. Understood? Now next. Now can you read this children? I think all of you can see the screen. Try to read the sentence and try to understand why teacher is putting here the in front of the words. Try to read this sentence. Try to read everyone. Next sentence. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. So why teacher is using here the? We are talking about a specific ocean. Whenever we write the names of oceans, we should always put the. We put the. So here the names of different oceans are given. Can you read the names? Can you read the names given here on the screen? The Pacific Ocean. Then next is Atlantic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. So these all are the names of different oceans in the world, right? These are the names of oceans. So we are putting the in front of the word, right? Understood everyone? Try to read the sentence. Don't sit like that only. And whenever teacher will say 1, 2, 3, eyes on me, you should also repeat with me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Okay? Okay, children? Yeah. Now next. Now next is we write the in front of the names of the deserts also. We put the in front of the names of the deserts also. So the Thar Desert is in Western India. The Thar Desert is in the Western India. So we are using the to write the in front of the Thar Desert. Okay. So we are talking about a specific desert. We have only one desert of that name. So that is why we use the in front of that. Understood? Definite article. That is why we call it definite article. Understood? Definite ka bolte ho? Because it has a specific name, a particular proper name. Yeah, a proper name is given to a thing. That is why we write the Thar Desert is in Western India. Now I'm showing you a few more examples. And we put the in front of names of landmarks. We put the in names of the landmarks. So I live behind the fire station. Understood? So the fire station. I live behind the fire station. Understood? Yeah. So all of you read this sentence, children. I live behind the fire station. And we are using the before fire station, a definite article. Always remember. Now, next, the Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. So, name of the monument. Whenever we talk about the name of monuments, so we put the, a definite article. Why the? Because we have only one thing of that kind. We have only we are talking about a specific thing, a particular thing. That is why we are using the. So the Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. Now, next, we also use the in front of names of newspapers, names of magazines, names of books. So, for example, the Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Do you remember any other names of newspapers, children? Remember, whenever we use a proper name of newspapers, magazines, books, we call it the Times of India. Try to read the sentence. Don't sit like that. Try to read and understand again and again. I'm repeating. I'm telling you that the is a definite article. Why? Because we are talking about a specific or a particular thing. Okay? So the Times of India is a particular popular English newspaper. Children, don't get distracted. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. What I told you, you should repeat. 1, 2, eyes on me. Eyes on you. Okay? Yeah. Now next. The Lands End Hotel is near the shore. So here the names of hotels or restaurants, we put the in front of that because we know that's a particular name of a place. Now next, before going through the worksheet or examples, now I wanted to show you a video. Because of that, you will understand clearly the concept of articles. Wait a minute. Yeah. So to understand the concept more clearly for you, again I'm showing you a video. So till now, what we have done, children, we have seen different types of articles, right? We have two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. A and comes under the list of indefinite articles and the comes under the list of definite articles. Wait for 2 minutes. It is getting started. Okay. So now it must be clear for you how to use a and the. Do you remember what are consonants and vowels? Yes, children, consonants and vowels. Yeah, 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of all other words, like the rest of all other letters are consonants. Understood? Wait, let me again check why it is not opening. Okay. Okay, I'll try to open that after this worksheet. Now, write the correct article a and an in the given words. Let us see this first. Yeah. Write the correct article a or an with the given words. So all of you see first one. When we put a and when we put an, see that properly. A tree. Sir, so see this here. The first letter of the noun. T is consonant, not a vowel. So we put a. Then a cap. C is a consonant. So that is why we are writing in front of C, in front of that a cap. Okay? A tree, a cap. An inch. Why here an came? Because here I is a vowel. I is a vowel. So an inch. Understood? So next one, a potato. A potato. Why a potato? P is a consonant. So that is why we are writing here a potato. Then next, eagle. Why we are writing eagle? Why we are writing here an eagle? Because E is a vowel. Now you are going to tell me, I am going to just show you. An eagle. Okay? Now, a beach. Why we are writing a beach? Why we are writing a beach here? Because B is a consonant, not a vowel. So a beach. An inkpot. Why we are calling it as an inkpot? Because I is a vowel, not a consonant. A kitten. K is a consonant, so we are putting here A in front of kitten. A kitten. Then a bike. A bike. Why a bike? Because B is a consonant. That is why a bike. A ball. Why we are putting a ball? Because B is a consonant, not a vowel. Then an owl. A tiger. A melon. A flower. An umbrella. Why an? Because whenever we have vowel, there we put an in front of that. A girl. An igloo. A banana. A key. A burger. An orange. An almond. An apple. An elephant. A table. A pencil. So now you all must have understood when we use a and when we use an. Right? So this is the way we should use a or an. Understood? Now let us see one more worksheet. Yeah. Yeah. Fill in the blanks with articles. So here we are using the let a and in the sentence. Just now I have shown you in the words, right? We are using them in the words. Now here we are using in the sentence. Now we are using it in a sentence. So let us read this one. Fill in the blanks with articles. Dash elephant can drink around 210 liters of water a day. My God, elephants eat this much of water? Yeah. So what you will write? A elephant? No, we should not write a elephant. Always we will use an elephant can drink around 210 liters of water a day. Now the second one. Dash tiger has striped skin. So a tiger. Why a tiger? Because you only recall what I have explained you children. You only recall why a tiger, why not an tiger? A is a consonant. T is a consonant. So the first letter of a noun, that is tiger. The first letter of the word tiger is consonant. So a tiger has striped skin. Understood? Now next, third example. dash alligator can weigh over 450 kgs. My God, this much heavy. So, an alligator. Can you see? An alligator. So, the first letter of alligator is a vowel. So, we are writing an alligator can weigh over 450 kgs. Okay. Now, next. An eagle has excellent eyesight. An eagle has excellent eyesight. So, you only tell me E is a vowel or a consonant. E is a vowel sound. So, an eagle has excellent eyesight. Okay, children. Now, next, question number 5. Dash octopus has 3 hearts. Dash octopus has 3 hearts. So, an octopus. What you will write? An octopus, and you know the explanation that O is a vowel sound. That is why we are writing an octopus. Then next, dash camel lives on average of for 40 to 50 years. Dash camel lives an average for 40 to 50 years. So here a camel lives on average for 40 to 50 years. Understood? Now let us see one more worksheet. Yeah, all 3 worksheets I suppose we have done. Now this one we have not done, right? So children, take the screenshot of this worksheet. So this one you can do the revision at home after the classes, right? If you want, you can take the screenshot. You can practice it in rough notebook. When we use A and that is why I wrote the answers also, so that you should not write incorrect answer. Understood? Take the screenshot if you want, and you can do the practice at home. Okay? I'm reading it out for you. There is dash cat on the sofa. It is sleeping. There is a cat on the sofa. It is sleeping. Then next, this question was an easy question. So can you see here, and I have used. Why we should put an here? Because E, the word E is a vowel sound. Now next, please give me a glass of water. So please give me a glass of water. John has a horse that he rides on weekends. John has a horse. Sarah is an active girl. Sarah is an active girl. I was playing near a rock. Next example is I was playing near a rock. Then I bought an umbrella for my sister. I bought an umbrella for my sister. Then 8th one is I am sitting on a bench. I am sitting on a bench. The next, I have a table and a chair in my room. I have a table and a chair in my room. And the last one, I saw an owl sitting on a tree. I saw an owl sitting on a tree. Okay, so these were the examples when we should use a and when we should use an in the sentences. Okay, children, if you want to take, you take the screenshot and do practice when you are free. Write this in your rough notebook one time at least and do the practice when to use a and an. Okay? Okay, children. So now let me do the revision. Let me revise today what we have learned. I have shown you we have started with the concept with the topic of articles. In that we have seen the 3 main articles a, an, and the, right? A, an, and the, and articles are of 2 different types. We have seen the definition of articles. Articles are used to point out or refer to the nouns. Then we have seen articles are of 2 types, right? two types, definite articles and indefinite articles, right? So what are definite articles? Definite articles are the articles. The is called the definite article because it always point out or out some particular object or specific thing, specific place, specific people. Okay. Example is also is there. This is the boy who has stolen my purse. Then we have seen indefinite articles. What comes under the indefinite articles? A and R are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular or definite place, person, or thing. Right? Then we have seen what are consonants and what are vowels. We use A in front of consonants and we use an in front of vowels. So what are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are consonants. Right? And what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So these are the basic things which we have learned today.